All right, it's hot for food approved on the road. This is how approved this thing is that I'm gonna share with you because I'm driving over an hour to get it. Okay, y'all. Plant Power. It's worth the drive to Plant Power. Hot and skinny fries. I love those skinny fries. Like no ketchup, nothing. The main event is the 5-piece chicken tendies. Oh my God. These are my absolute favorite. They are stupid. Stupid. Excuse me. Look at that. They remind me of A&W Chubby Chicken. Or Wendy's I used to eat. I don't even know. Oh my God. 5 pieces I get. You can get a 3-piece, but get the 5. Ranch honey moutarde. Honey mustard is so good. I'm like Chris Clark in my car here. And the ranch is thick. Ready? These are my favorite gosh darn things ever. I feel like one time I had them and I thought they were like tofu, like the frozen tofu. And then when you unfreeze it, it like has that texture of chicken. These seem different. I can't remember. It's been a while since I had them. I don't care. The batter, man. Batter. Got another little treat. Just decided to go overboard. Got a milkshake and it's coffee flavor, which is weird, but I was like, oh, I'll get vanilla, and then I was like, no, I gotta get coffee. I love coffee ice cream. Oh my God, I'm so glad I got this. I never had this. Once I got a pumpkin spice one, didn't like it. Once I got an Oreo one, it was okay. With cookies and cream. That's the one. It's almost like I'm at Wendy's. This is like the Frosty, but like 100 times better. Oh my God. I don't even want to talk. I just want to sit here and eat. I guess that's what some people do on the internet. They don't say anything. Oh, look at this one. I love that they're different shapes. That's my favorite part about these chicken fingers, is that they don't look like they've been pressed out of a machine. That's what Chris does. You know, I prefer the honey mustard over the ranch. I forgot. Oh my God. No, I guess these are the same as the ones they always have. I don't think they changed them. You know, I don't even really like the burgers from here. Mike loves the burgers. I just come for the chicken. I don't want anything else. So, I fully support this restaurant and anything you want to try, but I'm telling you, I don't need anything else. Fries, chicken tenders, and a coffee milkshake. Oh my God. Outside is just so delicate. It's not overly thick. The perfect amount of crunch. Like something I want to savor. Like I don't want to eat it too fast. I have nobody parked beside me and I'm just waiting. There's so many people going through the drive-thru right now. They have a drive-thru. It's fast too. This came out fast. I didn't go through the drive-thru. I just went to the pickup window. There's a bunch of other locations, but they're further than this one from me. They need to get one much closer to LA. Well, no, because you know what? Then I would just eat it all the time. I'd rather it be a special thing. You know, I have to say, I'm very honored when I get comments that say things like, "You're the only person I can stand to watch eat." That really means a lot to me, I have to tell you. It makes me feel like I'm doing something right. If I can be appreciated for the way that I eat and chew, it's like a dream come true. I mean, I know I get the comments where people don't like hearing the sounds of eating, but that's a whole other thing. I don't really think that's a comment on me personally, that's just a comment in general. When people say, "You're the only one I like watching eat," that's personal. That's special. And I'll take it. This honey mustard. It's Dijon based, which is my favorite. Okay. I don't have anything else to say. I just wanted to share with you how much I love these. And that's it. These are my favorite chicken fingers, hands down, above all the rest. Above Gardein, above the KFC Beyond Chicken ones that I tried, which I never showed anybody because I didn't like them. I think that's a KFC problem, not necessarily Beyond Meat problem. Yeah, above all the rest. This is my favorite. However, food approved, on the road. Be more to come. There's a few things I'd like to share with you from the greater LA area that are totally approved and my favorite things ever, so I'll think about doing that. All right, toodaloo.